In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text into columns in Google Sheets. This is a quick and reliable way to take information that's packed into a single cell, like names, addresses, or comma-separated values, and neatly spread it across multiple columns so it's easier to read, sort, and analyze. Start by selecting the cell or the range of cells that contains the text you want to split. You can click a single cell, drag to select multiple cells, or click the column letter to select an entire column if all the entries follow the same pattern. Before you go any further, glance to the right of your selection to make sure there's empty space. Splitting creates new values in the columns to the right, so you want to avoid overwriting any data you want to keep. Next, go to the top menu and click Data. This opens the data tools that help format and organize your sheet. From that menu, choose Split Text to Columns. As soon as you do, you'll see a small separator menu appear at the bottom of your selection. That's where you'll tell Sheets what character it should use to divide the text. In the separator menu, choose the delimiter that matches your data. If your values are separated by commas, like city, state, zip, pick comma. If they're separated by spaces, like first name, last name, choose space. You can also select tab or semicolon if that's how your data is structured. If your data uses something less common, like a dash or a vertical bar, select Custom and type the exact character. A quick tip: make sure the delimiter you choose actually appears between each piece of information you want to split. Otherwise, you'll end up with unexpected results or extra empty columns. Google Sheets will instantly split the text into separate columns based on the delimiter you selected. If the outcome doesn't look right, maybe you picked the wrong delimiter or the data wasn't consistent, don't worry. You can change the delimiter from the same little menu right away, or press Undo to revert and try again. Finally, adjust the column widths so everything is readable. Hover over the line between column letters in the header until your cursor changes, then click and drag to widen or narrow a column. If you prefer a quick fit, double-click that boundary to auto-size the column to its content. That's all there is to it. Select your data, go to Data, choose Split Text to Columns, pick the right delimiter, let Sheets do the split, and tidy up the column widths. You'll have clean, organized data in seconds.